everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm continuing on with the series using the transfer Live Life with Zest. I'm just doing it with all different surfaces, and I'm using both ink and paste because you know these transfers, you can use them over and over and over again. All right, let's get going. Okay, now I use some scrap board. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick, so it will stand up on its own. I took some black chalk paint and painted on it, and then sandpaper to distress the edges. And now I am putting white, bright white chalk paste on this board. Taking off the transfer, voila, all done. All you gotta do is wash your transfer, it's ready to use again. Now for some embellishment and some fun, I'm using kids craft foam. It's maybe an 1/8 inch thick, if that. It's very easy to chalk on. I am using ink on this one, but you could use either ink or paste. Just squeegee it on, take off the excess, pull off your transfer. Clean, and it's ready to go again. Now this was very easy to cut out. It cut almost just like paper. Simple. Feel like a kid again. Plus I like the pop of color. And here I'm just doing what I call a fake bow. You just take different lengths and different colors of ribbon and different textures, and you just tie it together. Here I tied it with twine, and then I took the end of the twine and untwisted it and raveled the ends. It just made a cute, fun, interesting bow. And I wanted to bring the yellow color in there too, and the black and white check, and wrapped it around with twine. Now I'm adding the embellishment, just a fun pop of color, your orange, your lemon, and your lime. I'm just taking a hot glue gun and gluing those together. And now I'll glue it onto my design. And there they, all three of them are so far. I have 2 of ink and 1 of paste. I have 1 more paste coming up, so please keep watching. I really like that. That one was fun, colorful, just a happy sign. Thanks for watching.